Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you have to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then tap Start. Then you can connect the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you can set up date and time, or just make it automatic. Set up time zone, hour format. Next you have Google services, disable all ticks here and tap accept. Accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up fingerprint unlock, but you can also skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can set up unlock with face, but you can also do this later in settings. Then you can set up any kind of screen lock. Same as previous, you can just do this anytime in settings. Then you have this NXT Vision enhancement, but it will also drain your battery faster, so I don't know. You can enable this feature, you can leave it be, as you wish. Then you can select home screen style and then select lock screen style. Then select system navigation and setup complete. I agree, skip, and now your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.